also Hawaii. Oh, being below. So we've been on the move and in the groove. Good fun, good fun. Starting some holiday cheer.
We're going to talk about Santa still yet, and we're going to do a song that talks about, actually, it's a song that talks about this little boy. And I guess, you know, little boys and little girls, they ask for the regular stuff for Christmas. Yeah, I want to buy a doll.
Pony.
Pony. Maybe
Yeah, that's what pony.
PlayStation 4.
Nowadays it's different.
Very different nowadays, yeah.
You just like a gift card for iTunes store.
But you know, back in the day, one of our friends, his name is Patrick Lendeza. He lives in Berkeley, California. And he is a very accomplished poem/guitarist. And he composed this song about when he was a little boy, and he said that all he wished for one Christmas was a hula girl. He wanted a hula girl for Christmas, and he didn't want anything else. No toys, no Nintendo games, just a girl. I guess he got his girl because his wife is a hula dancer and they are expecting their fifth child. Holding the long way all by themselves. Say it.
It's a bring up a good friend of ours to share this number with you folks. He hails from behind of Lamani via Ainaina and Kilo Level. You get house all over the place. This is Mr. Reed Del Rosario.
He's going to share this song. It's another song